What's the meaning of corporator? Corporator. Corporator.
Corporator. Corporator. Corporator refers to a member of a municipal corporation or the governing body of a municipality. This term is commonly used in India and some other countries. Corporators are elected by the citizens of their respective wards or districts and play a crucial role in decision-making related to local governance and development. They work closely with government officials to address issues concerning public services, infrastructure, and community welfare. As representatives of their constituents, corporators are responsible for ensuring accountability and transparency in local governance.